Okay, slowly now. Lift it straight up. Watch the cables. Good, hold it there. It's remarkable how well preserved it is, despite everything. Yes, the jungle preserves as much as it consumes. Almost there. Got it. Look at that beast. M1128. I knew it. I knew it. Over 100 years old.
I'm at the coordinates. Confirming vehicle type Stryker, designation W1128. It's heavily damaged. Do you copy?
Almost there. Just need to clear this. Heavy. So heavy. Almost there. Just a little more. Found it. It's been here for years. The jungle has completely reclaimed it. Look at the moss.
I wonder how long it's been here.
I wonder how long it's been here, at least.
Bravo 4 requesting extraction. Urgent. Repeat, Bravo 4 needs immediate evac.
Okay, keep it slow. Affirmative. Bringing it in now. Keep it steady. Slowly. Just a bit more tension. I'm clearing the main path now. Move it forward, there's not much room to maneuver behind you. Come on, move! Easy, slow and steady. I got it. All right, that's secure. Now to connect it. Almost there. Secure the line. Cable's looking good. Secure the winch. Copy that. Engaging now. Keep it steady. We can't afford any mistakes here. Understood. We have a good hold. Watch the sway. She's heavy. Hold. Lower slowly. Slow. Stop. Lower straight down. Easy. It's stable. Perfect. Move it down. All right, easy. Steady. Slow it down just a little. Set it down now. Good, all clear. All right, that's secure. Let's get moving. Hold it there. Secured.
Secured.
Take the tension.
Cable secured. Lift slowly.
Okay, slowly now. Lift it straight up. Watch the cables. Good, hold it there. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Clear, continue lifting. Just a bit further. Easy now. Keep it steady. Down a little more. All right, easy. Stop. Right there.
All right, let's get this thing cleaned up. The water hits the metal with immense force, stripping away the debris.
Looks like the wash bay team did a thorough job here. The armor panels are spotless, ready for deployment. All right, let's see what's going on in here. Looks pretty dusty. All right, let's see what's causing this. Looks like it's coming from the fuel line. Keep it steady. Watch that brake line. Okay, slowly, just a little more. Clear, set it down easy. All right, these gears are in spec. What about the manifold, Sergeant? Looks good. We should be ready to reassemble. All right, that's in. Now, just to secure these last bolts. Solid. All right, easy does it. Just a little more to the left. Perfect. Hold it steady. Excellent work, team. Looks solid. All right, hoses are good. Just need to tighten this final bolt.
That'll work.
Secure. Looks like she's ready to roll. All right, I'm topside. Anything yet?
Negative. Hold position.
Setting the waypoint. Checking diagnostics. Confirmed. Speed is steady. Looking good.